Hi there, are you looking to become a successful digital artist? If yes, you probably looked up traditional art schools and then gave up right away after you saw just how much it costs, or even worse, it might not even exist where you live. The same goes for online classes. There's just nothing out there that teaches all the skills and knowledge that you would need to make it as a successful artist. Until now. Welcome to Art School for Digital Artists. Art School is like your typical art school college program, but with better classes and at a fraction of the cost. I like to think of it as a spiritual equivalent to a Bachelor of Fine Arts, but with a heavy focus on digital arts instead. I'm Marc Brunet, and I'll be your teacher. I've had a successful career as an artist, working for Blizzard Entertainment, working on some of the biggest games in the world, also as a comic book artist in my early days, and as a freelance artist, instructor, and speaker throughout my 16+ year career. I know what it takes to become a successful artist, and I want to help you achieve the same. Or more. It's time to make the best decision of your life and follow your passion, creating art for a living. Join the thousands of students that are currently following the program and start making serious progress towards your goals. Now, if you're still watching this, you're just like me. Someone with a strong passion for art who's always on the lookout for ways to improve. And I know for a fact that I can help you with your goals and help you reach them faster. 10 terms are included with Art School, and each consists of classes covering a broad variety of topics, giving you really everything you would possibly need for a strong foundation as an artist, digital or traditional. I usually recommend students take around 2 years to complete the program, considering it consists of over 100 hours of carefully structured classes. But everyone is free to go at their own pace. Just make sure that you look down below in the description for the full curriculum. Now, who is this for, you ask? Well, the terms follow a natural progression from simple notions to more complex topics. Perfect for you whether you're a complete beginner with no experience at all, or if you're a more advanced artist, perhaps a working professional, looking to patch up your foundations and take your art to the next level. Before I started working on this program, I gathered countless curricula from all the top institutional art schools around the world and carefully assembled the perfect curriculum based on all my years of experience in the art industry. If your goal is to make it as a successful digital artist, you won't find anything like this anywhere, especially for the price. The content comes in the form of pre-recorded videos, and thanks to its digital format, you can always go at your own pace, whether you've got a lot of time to dedicate to this or very little time. We all have busy lifestyles, so this should work for everyone. Oh, and also, there's an active and dedicated section on the QBrush forums for art school students, where you're able to share your progress and grow with your peers. It's an awesome way to go into this epic journey and make the best out of it. Art School has been 2 years in the making, and it'll keep growing and getting better and better over the next couple years as I keep polishing and improving it. It's been a lot of hard work, but I couldn't be more proud of the results. And I am continuously humbled by the hundreds of positive reviews and perfect 5-star rating. I couldn't be more excited about the program, and I sincerely hope that it helps you as well, especially if traditional schools are too expensive where you live, like they are here in the States, or if they're simply non-existent. This should not only be the perfect alternative, but should actually prepare you significantly better for a career as a successful artist. I really do hope that you join the thousands of other satisfied students learning with Art School, and I cannot wait to see everyone's progress. Now, we have a ton of content to cover, so let's get this journey started, shall we?